I believe there is always an easy way to do things in the mix. In this example, I'm going to use this tilt filter to bring clarity up in the vocal and dip some of the darkness and boxiness. So the vocal without this process is like this.
Yeah, keep me in your line of sight. Squeeze me, go on, hold me tight.
With this filter,
yeah, keep me in your line of sight. Squeeze me, go on, hold me tight. Close.
I could have done it with some multi-band equalizer or a lot of normal EQ bands like bell cut or shelf cut. But when there is an easy way to do things in the mix, I will support that. So the tilt filter helps you in a lot of audio materials. This example contains vocal, but in any other materials like drums or bass or synths or whatever that you have in your mix, multi-track mix, tilt filter will work fine. And there is a tilt EQ named Softtube Tilt Tone Lux Tilt, if I'm not wrong. That one is great too, but I had this, so I tested this one. After this process, you can use whatever you want. You can cut a little bit of harshness, boost a little bit of bass or warm frequencies on the low end of the vocal, whatever you want, whatever you choose, and whatever fits in the mix. But now you have a clear path in front of you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and follow for more.